Hi, this kata is called Mumbling. This time no story, no theory. The examples below show you how to write the function kyu7. What we get is a string as an input, and what we have to do is to multiply the letter as we go from left to right. And we have to capitalize the first letter, and we have to string the letters together with a dash. How to go about that? Here we are at the code editor. What I want to do is to iterate through the string. To get started, for letter in string, and print the letter A, B, C, D. And what I want to do is to multiply the letters based on their index. So let's create an index. It will be equal to 1. And every iteration we have to add up 1 to the index. Index plus equal sign 1. So let's print the letter and the index. Yeah. And what happens when we multiply the letter by the index? Then we get the strings where we are looking for, as you can see here. The only thing that we have to do is to capitalize it, but let's start creating a new list, result, and append this. So letter should be equal to letter, but multiplied by the index. And from here, we have to append it to result. And let's return result here. There we have it, but the letters are not capitalized. Oh, maybe we can do that here. So letter should be equal to letter dot capitalize. And I will make sure that the first character of a string is capitalized, but the rest will be lowercase. There we have it. But we have to return it as a string, as you can see here. Oh, well, you can use the join method for that. So dot join, pass in the list as an argument. And here we can define what kind of glue we want to use to string our sentence together. Maybe a star, like you see here. But in our case, we have to use a dash. So let's use that. And yeah, that's basically what we need. So let's test it out. There we go. I hope this has been useful. And yeah, if so, please consider dropping a like. I hope to see you in another video. Ciao.